Sorry, my dad was just asking a question. With my hands! He's downstairs. Sorry. So, I just did a Christmas decoration tour like 2 seconds ago. And now I'm back in the living room. It's a nice tree in the background. And yeah, I'm going to do a house tour. I'm not going to show the bedrooms though. Probably because they're a mess. And that's a true fact. So I will not show the bedrooms. Give a thumbs up to this video if you play Among Us. If you don't play Among Us, still give a thumbs up though. Okay, I do not know how to turn on the lamp. Well, anyway, I need a light bulb in here. Where? Oh, there it is. Here. There we go. So this is our living room. I will just, you know. So yeah, Christmas is in 22 days. It's 2020. Okay, I think you guys have seen that. No. Front door. But yeah, I play Among Us all the time. If you guys see a character that's named Goofy, I like to be pink because that's my favorite color. If you guys ever see a person named Goofy, you're playing Among Us with a YouTuber, which is me. I'm white, black, or pink, or yellow. And I have an egg on my head. So I won't even go upstairs because I'm not showing bedrooms. So the bedrooms are upstairs. Dining room. Yeah. Oh ho ho. We got the the downstairs bathroom. The laundry room. Where's the light? Here it is. A nice laundry room. That was the weirdest smile I ever did in my life. This is the other living room where we have our PS. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we got a PS4 right there. My PS4 controller is actually like custom. But yeah. A Christmas tree. I showed you guys this tree in the last video that I made a few minutes ago. Our stockings. I actually forgot to show you that. Our stockings. Charlie Brown is in there. And I forgot to also show you this. And I was so upset because this guy is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see him. Yeah, you can see him. Okay. I just need to do a TikTok dance. I don't know what to do. Okay. My dad. Okay, I need this to actually be low. Okay. TikTok dance. Done. I have no clue why I did that. Subscribe and like this video. Hit the notification bell. Bye! And happy Christmas. I will probably be posting a video before Christmas. I don't know. I will make a video on New Year's. We're having a few family members come. Well, maybe. We do not know. But we might be. But ciao for now.